Hello and welcome to this quick 2-minute video on how to show progress using graphs in Connecting Steps. You've got several graphs at your disposal. The main ones you're going to be using are within the individual reports. So if I go to that section, and then you'll see we've got line graph and bar chart. So if I go to the line graph, it will now display me a graph for all the subjects that you have switched on, which is a lot, can look like the London Underground. Don't forget on the left here we have a filter. If I go to filter, I can go select all, select none, and I just want to look at English at this moment in time. So there we have it, 3 lines on a graph that show me the progress that student has made. If you're not keen on line graphs, you also have a bar chart at your disposal. So if I go to bar chart here, and I run it, click display, there I can see 2 bars per subject, one being where they were, this red bar here, and the blue bar being where they are now. Lots of people prefer this, more visual, and also infers a lot more data. What you also have available to you is the pie chart. So if I go to the individual assessment screen, which is just one of the ways you can access it, you can also get it through the level summary, and I go to their current level, which is where they're working in now, for this student, Vanessa, and I go to level status and go to pie chart. I can see how that looks now, but what I can also do is bring up a pie chart from a previous date. So I'm going to go back to the 15th of January here, and I can see now all the progress they made, but not just mastered as well. We also have the gaining skills, the participation, and the engagements that have been made as progress during that time period. Alternatively, if you have CSAM, if you go into CSAM and you go to progression steps, what you also have down here in the individual reports section is progress within a level. Okay, and you can show as a single graph what is shown in the pie charts. So if I find Vanessa Kensington here, there she is, and we can look at those dates. We'll go to step 7 and I go display. Can now see how all the masters and all the encounters, the participations, all of that have changed. So this is actually telling me there was actually a level of regression before that, and then it jumped up again, and how these gaining skills, participations and engagements have changed. So that is how to show progress using graphs within Connecting Steps.